It means if we are like studying at the basics, Lewis model of mass migration, the surplus labor that Arthur Lewis is talking about. In the Arthur Lewis model, they are saying that it is the capability of absorbing the other two sectors. So that is what the main reason that, according to you.
In fact, if we move according to Arthur Lewis, I would say that some sort of ideal things for economic transformation.
Oh.
But there is some sort of obstacle which is happening in case of India as far as Lewis hypothesis go.
Yes.
That obstacle is that in the case of India, industry is following a capitalist mode of production.
Okay.
Though India is a labor abundant country, but
Yes.
if you look at the approach followed by industry, they
Yes.
adopt capital intensive approach. And recently, we hear a lot about robotics, about artificial intelligence, and machine learning,
Yes.
which are all replacing labors.
Yes.
So, Arthur Lewis model, you don't find it as pronounced in the case of India as it was in the economy, which are now very well developed,
Okay.
because in non-agriculture, the opportunities for labor absorptions are not growing at the scale at which they should be growing to absorb the labor that shifts out of agriculture. Still, if we look at data after 2001, there is
Yes.
a decline in absolute number of workforce in case of agriculture. So it is true after 2004-5 also. So some positive process was started. But still, I would say that this process is very, very slow. We need to do something. It is a bit complex question. Since
Yes.
we are not moving strictly according to the Arthur hypothesis, we are now thinking that how to address this situation, that while we need to move labor out of agriculture, the opportunities to absorb that labor are not growing
Not yes.
big enough. They are not growing
Yes.
big enough.
Big enough. Yeah, indeed, just because of the service sector.